Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out Credit Versio to see if it's worth your attention in 2025 or you should keep looking. Credit Versio is a credit building service that helps people improving their credit scores by offering credit builder loans designed to boost your credit history. What makes Credit Versio interesting is how easy it is to get started. If you don't require a hard credit check, making it accessible for those who with a lower score or no credit history. You take out a small loan, make a monthly payments, and those payments are reported to the major credit bureaus to help build your score over time. That said, the loan amounts are generally small, and the interest rate can be higher than traditional loans, so it's important to weigh the cost. Also, like any credit builder, it requires discipline to make consistent payments on the time to see real benefits. If you're looking for a simple, beginner-friendly way to start improving your credit, Credit Versio could be a good option. Just be sure to understand the fees and stay on the top of your payments. Thanks for watching. If this helped you decide about Credit Versio, leave your questions in the comment and subscribe for more credit building review and tips. Catch you in the next video.